Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here. I know it's been a long time since I shot a video. We are in the fall right now. We are in October. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update what's going on with me. Still rocking with the same instant and passive programs. What I want to show you is my ID here. All right, there's a lot of people out there that don't show their ID, and there's a reason why they don't show their ID or show that they're a real person. There's no way to contact them on Skype. There's no way to call them on the phone. So you always want to be connected with some person you know is real, a person you can contact if you're spending money. Okay, so we are able to earn 100, and this is not to boast or brag, but we are able to earn $100 to $1,000 instant cash commissions. One of the things I do is I stamp my currency. I'm just putting this here so you can see that this is real cash, but we're able to earn on a day-to-day basis and passive income from other people's efforts. All right, so you can see there's several $1,000s right there. One of the things I do is I stamp my currency also. All right, so we have a way that you guys can earn weekly without doing any recruiting. This is really lucrative for you guys.
Hold on, I'm getting a thing.
So,
You want me to? Yeah, I can.
hey Brian,
What?
you want to count it for them this week's earnings?
Money?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on for a second. Hey, can I call you right back? Okay. Give me another 5 minutes. Okay, bye. You just want to run it through the counter?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, come on. It's a good game right there. Okay. Ready? Or no?
Yep.
Okay, hold on.
One offside penalty, exchange.
Then I gotta call this guy back.
Alrighty.
Okay. There you go.
So that's this week's earnings, and this is without recruiting for you guys that don't like to recruit.